Hello, my name is David Fromer. I serve as the Executive Director of Planning and Construction here at UNLV. I wanted to share a little bit with you about why we master plan, the purpose of master planning, and the nature of master planning as a collaborative process before we get into the details of each component of the master plan. So first, our Board of Regents has a policy that requires that our master plans have an outlook of not less than 10 years. So typically, we will revisit our master plan around every 10 years or so because it's just good practice. It really supports the Board of Regents' policies and procedures and complies with them. And also the life of a master plan, really it's hard to look forward with any kind of specificity more than 10 years or so. Once you start looking at 20 or 30 years, you can certainly have a vision, but the vision is not quite so specific, so 10 years is a very good planning horizon. Furthermore, in 10 years, we've seen quite a bit of campus development here at UNLV. Buildings like the Student Rec and Wellness Center, the Student Union, the Science and Engineering Building, Greenspun Hall, the CDC complex, the parking garage over near Thomas and Mack, the Mendenhall Center. All of those buildings have developed, and they've all been guided by our last master plan, which is completed in 2004. And after a period of significant development, it's important to take a look at what you've done and make sure that your master plan is supportive of where you're going in the future. Going in the future and the direction we're going in the future is really at the core of the master plan. We have to take the vision that the university has of its strategic goals and objectives in terms of academics and research and campus life and all of those things. And we really have to look at the master plan to make sure it's supportive of the institutional strategic goals and its mission. So those are all key components of why we master plan. The value of the master plan is really important from a campus asset and from just using campus resources wisely. So we have to make sure we're using our land resources wisely. We have to look at the number of students and faculty and activities and programs we support and make sure that the master plan is able to accomplish that within the resources we have in terms of physical resources. So it really serves as a roadmap to not only accomplish our strategic goals and objectives, but to use our resources wisely so that we can get there. The nature of master planning is a very collaborative process. It really requires the engagement of the campus community, the community beyond the campus, so Clark County at large, and those of the citizens who are interested in the master plan and the campus, and a whole team of experts and people who are knowledgeable in planning to support the process. So this is really about engagement with our community and working in a very collaborative setting to accomplish creating a master plan. It's important to acknowledge some of those who have taken really a prominent role in the planning activities and exercises. So certainly we have a consulting firm on board, Smith Group JJR, led by Doug Cosman and Michael Johnson. They've been very active and very supportive of helping us in our master planning process. We have a variety of private sector partners who are helping us with different components of the campus. The AVS Group in terms of our housing on campus. The Majestic companies in terms of the Mega Event Center and University Village and their team. All of them have contributed greatly to the planning. Clark County and a variety of departments, planning and public works, and Department of Aviation and other departments in the county who have collaborated with us. And certainly, I'm very proud of planning and construction here at UNLV. We really serve as the manager of the master plan. There's a lot of people in the department who support and participate in the master plan. Bob Densico and Lisa Sukiyama are two key staff who really deserve recognition for their efforts in the master plan. So all of these people, and I've probably missed some, have all contributed. But again, it's really important to understand that the master plan is a collaborative process that draws on the resources, the input, and the expertise of a variety of parties to make sure that the master plan is inclusive and fully representative of the university.